The dry desert has such extreme temperatures and so little water, you'd think that nothing could survive. But desert plants and animals have adapted to the hot and cold temperatures, dryness, and the lack of rainfall.
An adaptation is a special characteristic or behavior of a plant or animal that helps it survive in its surroundings. Let's look at the special characteristics that desert plants use to help them survive. Adaptations of plants.
All plants need water. Desert plants have had to adapt to the small amount of water in their environment. Most desert plants do not grow near other plants. That way, there's less competition for water.
Some desert plants have long taproots that grow deep into the ground. This Joshua tree uses its long roots to search for water underground.
Most cactus plants have shallow roots that spread out all over the ground. When it rains, the roots can quickly collect moisture from a wide area. The moisture is then carried to the trunk or stem where it is stored. The cacti store rainwater in their stem for use during dry weather.
This saguaro cactus grows in the Sonoran Desert. The saguaro cactus stores water like a sponge. If we could look inside the cactus, this is what the stem would look like before the rain. After the rain, the cactus roots drink the water in, and the cactus stem swells.
Cacti have a tough, waxy skin. The waxy coating helps keep the moisture sealed inside. Many desert plants, like the agave and yucca, have also adapted to the desert by storing water inside their roots and leaves.
Most cactus plants don't have leaves. Green leaves make food for plants. Water escapes into the air from the leaves. But desert plants don't want to lose their precious water. The desert plants that have leaves have special characteristics.
They may be covered with short hairs that trap moisture before it escapes. The leaves on some plants, like this creosote bush, may be tough and leathery, with oils coating the outside. That oily coating helps keep moisture on the inside. Some plants lose their leaves when the water is not available.
Instead of leaves, many cactus have sharp spines or thorns. The cactus spines can trap moisture for the plant and provide some shade too. The spines make a space of still air around the plant that helps protect it from the drying wind. The thorns can also help protect the cactus from the invading animals, birds, and bugs that want the water inside.
Water is important to everyone and everything. Plants need water to grow. Most plants start from a seed. The seed soaks up water and grows into a plant. In the dry, hot desert, the seeds from a plant may lie in the ground waiting for water. It may take many years for the water to come. When the water does reach the seed quickly sprouts and grows. Soon the plant blooms. Shortly after it blooms, it dies. The plant drops its seeds on the ground. New plants may get a chance to grow in the next short rainy season.
Plants that last only a very short time are called ephemerals. It is amazing that desert plants have adapted to long periods of little or no rain. Ephemeral plants survive only because their seeds are able to wait for a very long time for water.
Water